In the demanding field of underwater ship repair, safety is paramount. Recent tragic incidents serve as stark reminders. 3 lives were lost in separate incidents. A young diver lost his life after getting entangled in a boat propeller, and an experienced diver failed to surface during a similar operation. These tragedies highlight the dangers of cutting corners on safety. At nereussubsea, safety is not just a policy, it's a culture. Why safety in high-risk jobs matters. Scuba diving, while often used for entertainment, can be dangerous when employed for underwater inspections and industrial tasks. The hidden risks of low-cost services. When ship owners opt for cheaper services, they may encounter providers who cut corners by using unsafe scuba diving practices. Our operations involve constant coordination and strict monitoring. We use advanced surface-supplied diving systems for a reliable air supply. Ongoing training and awareness programs prepare our crew for any situation. We follow strict safety checklists, including permit to work and lockout/tagout procedures. Our divers, operating in Singapore and the UAE, are highly trained and updated on the latest safety protocols. Choose nereussubsea for the highest safety standards in underwater ship repair. We don't gamble with safety. Contact us today.